In this class, we have 1 Canadian province and 5 different states represented in our 4-horse hitch for the registered mares. They all did an excellent job, ladies and gentlemen. We're welcoming you our final entry into the lineup. We do have 2 entries that are going back out on the rail. Pay attention to your ring steward. 2 entries. Oftentimes, when our judge sees split classes, he will ask to see a couple of the hitches back on the rail. This is helping him to make his final decision. So, if your favorite is in our drive-off, make sure to cheer them on, ladies and gentlemen. The final run for the roses in our 4-horse hitch for the registered mares. And back into the lineup, drivers, if you would please. Back into the lineup. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our drivers now back in the lineup for our final placings. Again, after this class, we are going to be watering the arena, and then our 6-horse hitches will be coming in. Our judge, Mr. Dennis Cordego, making his final decisions. And we welcome Jenna Beyer back into the arena, your Wisconsin Draft Horse Association Queen, for the presentation. Daryl said that he is so happy to have the arena watered that we're going to be doing the chicken dance to celebrate that water truck coming in. So everybody make sure that if you're in the crowd, you're going to get your gears ready to do the chicken dance. gentlemen, in this class we will have entries held in reserve, and that will be in no particular order. In reserve, out to your left, number 541, that is the entry of Bain Brothers. Joining us from Pecatonica, Illinois, Logan doing the driving. Also in reserve, entry number 556, that is the entry of Solomon Clydesdales. Jared Gardner exhibiting. And in reserve number 578, that is the entry of Ebony Clydesdales. Jared, we're going to ask you to pull back into the lineup. That placing is wrong. Jared, if you will pull back into the lineup, we apologize for that. And we also have in reserve entry 569, that is Rockin' Hill Clydesdales, the lacrosse family. All right, ladies and gentlemen, our final placings in this class. In 6th place, entry number 540, that is the entry of the Brooks Brothers. Joining us from Sparta, Wisconsin, the Bright Orange Wagon. The Brooks capturing our 6th place award. In 5th place, number 597, that is the entry of Mike and Tracy Taft of Springfield, Illinois, with Double Shoe Farms. Bright green wagon accenting the Clydesdale mares. In 4th place, number 553, that is the entry of Diamond S Farms. That is the Sukat family. Marty doing the driving of our black Clydesdale mares. In 3rd place, entry number 556, that is the entry of Solomon Clydesdales. Our apologies for getting those numbers mixed up. You are our 3rd place award winner today, Mr. Jared Gardner doing the driving. In 2nd place, entry number 573, that is the entry of the Martin family, Classic City Clydesdales, making the trip from Bishop, Georgia. Mr. Andrew Stahlheim exhibiting. And ladies and gentlemen, your class winner today in our 4-horse hitch for the mares. Our congratulations going out to entry 603. That is the entry of the Wismer family. They make the trip from Amherstburg, Ontario, Canada, just across the border from Detroit. I talked earlier that this is a family organization that comes to put these horses to the arena and into all of the shows. Ron doing the driver, his son Nicholas kind of bailed off there, but he was his co-pilot in that class. Our Queen Jenna making the presentation once again to Mr. Ron Wismer on behalf of the Wismer Clydesdales. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our class winner and our queen taking a victory lap around in our winning entry for the mares. These 4 mares, again, brought to us by the Wismer family of Ontario. Always competitive and always supporting the Wisconsin State Fair Draft Horse Competition. Mr. Ronnie Wismer, your first place entry, doing the driving for Wismer Clydesdales.